My next brief upload is with regard to individuals that have displayed tendencies for what they term as stalking. Now, as I've mentioned throughout all my uploads since becoming a married mom, these matters have been quite an endurance test. It's been quite interesting to notice and observe the obsessive tendencies of individuals that have been stalking my privacy and my personal life simply due to property. They have been of acquisition and exploitation, as I term it. I'm just using very fixed language for these uploads, for the intents and purposes of these uploads. And the point that I'm making is that there are individuals that are violating proximity and disturbing the peace where they shouldn't be. I have worked for 3 state departments. I've worked in conjunction with 3 state departments, and I have a clean track record. I'm a law-abiding citizen. I have not got a criminal record. And there are individuals that have been quite obsessive, which is a gentle term, with their offences that they're causing against the state and the disruption they're causing in the state simply due to my personal identity, my personal purpose and my spiritual identity. Now, the Garda Síochána are fully aware of the transformations that have been happening in the past 3 to 4 years. I am unabashedly and unashamedly making it very clear that the positive developments that have occurred commenced with my work in 2018, 2017. So I find it really, really curiously insulting that there would be any possible deviation from my protection rights and my entitlements as a woman of legislation, humanitarian work, recovery advocacy, etc., ever being deviated from or ever jeopardised or negotiated by individuals that have been of offences against my royal patronage and my child. So this upload is with regard to the issue of my protection entitlements and people in my proximity. For the past 2 years, I have tolerated noise pollution, disturbances of the peace, fraudulence, false reporting, exacerbatory wrongdoings, violations, trespassing and intrusion in an abode where these individuals are not tolerated by law. They have made a farce and a mockery of the system and of the progress that has come around. There have been, as a consequence of my work, a huge amount of cleanup, and there was a lot of dirt, and that is common knowledge. So there's no deviation with regard to my entitlements. They're non-negotiable. As of a clean track record, this is for the attention of the authorities, as I've mentioned in previous uploads, to remove the liabilities from my proximity before they cause any more hazards to society. They have exploited from a sacred royal, and they have damaged an innocent child and trespassed on my property. So I hope the Garda Síochána and the Department of Justice are fully aware of the positive work that I have been endeavouring in since even before 2017 and 2018, and I'd appreciate it very much if the protection laws were respected also, with liabilities removed from my proximity and all safeguards in place due to these liabilities threatening my child's safety and my royal patronage also.